What's up, guys? It's your boy Akie. In the background, I got some Grant Cardone speaking, one of his new YouTube videos. Usually I listen to something inspirational during the day just in the background. Not consciously listening to it, but just letting, greatness and just very inspirational stuff continue to push me towards those little goals. Not little goals, I'm sorry. Just push me throughout my day. I'm sorry, I don't know what the hell I'm saying right now. Kind of tired. Just got back from a basketball game, actually, that we won. But more importantly, let me talk to you guys about how my week went as far as real estate went. Now, this week, I've been really cracking down on my KPIs. I actually sent out 22 text messages, and out of those 22 text messages, I got one contract. How sick is that? I've also got my one of the contractors that I got, not necessarily a contractor like you would think in real estate as far as repairing a house or anything, but one of my virtual contractors to go ahead and what do you call that thing? Skip trace some of the numbers of the properties that I plan on hitting up this week. Now, this list is a list of around 500 names, 500 properties, and that's going to be something sick that I hope to report back to you next week, that I got multiple contracts. So that's what I got going on right now. That's what dang, my arm is hurting, dude. That's what I'm updating you guys with. Hope you guys are having success on your journey in real estate, in your flipping, in your rentals, in your wholesaling, all that. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to up my marketing and stay consistent with my marketing. That's the really biggest thing. That's really the biggest. Oh, and also this week I also am expecting a check for my second deal. So it's a couple things just to recap. Now, I know that I'm not the best speaker. I know that I am not the best at explaining stuff. But what I plan to do with this is do this daily, actually. Just even if it's not that high quality, I plan on just putting something out there to just imagine at the end of the year that you've put a little brick down, and then you put a little bit of cement on top of it. One day that brick is going to be, just one day isn't really going to do much. But if you put brick by brick by brick by brick, eventually you build a fucking wall, and you're able to, you're able to build something great. So that's what I'm trying to do with these videos. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to, if I can help one person, that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not really trying to do much here. I'm trying to help one person, get inspired to, take action, whether that be real estate or whatever it is. But specifically me, I'm a wholesaler right now, and if I can get one person to take action towards their goals and stay consistent with it, then that is what the hell this vlog is going to be about. But I'm going to start up this series, and this series is basically going to be called Journey to 100K. 100K meaning $100,000 of profit in wholesaling properties. That's going to be just a sick journey to document, and I'm giving myself 1 year to do it. I want you to follow me on my journey. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Daily videos is what I'm going to be uploading on this channel for just accountability for me, for just relatability for you. If you are a wholesaler, if you are a real estate investor that is just beginning, this is a journey that you can follow on your own to know that, one, it's possible, and two, to just see my mistakes, see my wins, and maybe you don't have to make the same mistakes I make. And you don't even have to win like I win. You don't even have to do what I do to necessarily get the deals that I'm getting. What I want you to do with this is just be able to use this as a tool for basically giving you no excuse. So that's all I got for this one, guys. A little bit of a You know, just an update video, not much, but this is what I'm gonna call vlog number 1 of Journey to 100K. All right, guys, peace.